Today we are going to discuss a very important notification which is issued by Government of Punjab on 24 July 2024. Government of Punjab Service and General Administration Department issue a notification. Body of this notification is in this the exercise of the powers conferred under Section 53 of the Punjab Civil Act 1974. Governor of the Punjab is pleased to make following amendment in the civil servant appointment and conditions of services rules 1974. The amendment is in the Punjab civil servant appointment and conditions of service rule 1974, rule 17A shall be omitted. Now we will discuss what is section 23 in the Punjab civil servant act 1974. So this section lies in chapter 4. Section 23 is called rules and it has two subsections. So section 23 subsection 1 says the governors or any person authorized in this behalf may make such rules or appear him to be necessary or expended for carrying out the purpose of the act. Subsection 2, any rules and orders in structure in respect of any terms and condition of the civil servants duly made or issued by an authority competent to make them or enforce immediately before the concealment of this act shall, insofar such rules, order, or instructions are not inconsistent with the provision of this act, be deemed to be made rules under the act. Now let's study what is section 17A in Punjab Servant Appointment Conditions of Service Rules 1974. Section 17A is under Part 3 and it is titled as Essential Appointments. Not understanding anything contained in any rule to the contrary, whatever a civil servant dies while in service in declare invalidate, incompetent for the further service, one of his unemployed children or his widow wife may be employed by appointing authority against a post to be filed under Rules 16 and 17, which he and she possesses that prescribe the qualification or the experience, and such child or a widow wife may be given additional mark in the aggregate by Public Service Commission or the appropriate appointing selection board or committee, provided he or she otherwise qualifies in the test examination and interview for the post in BS 6 and above. Provided further that one child or widow/wife of government servant who dies while in service or declared invalidated, incapacitated for the further services shall be provided a job against BS 1 to 5 scale and the post junior clerks BS 7 in the department in which the deceased government servant was working without observing the formalities prescribed under a rule procedure, provided such children or the widow or wife otherwise eligible for the post. So, Punjab government has made a major change that when there is a time that a person died and his child or wife can go to job on his place, but now this rule has been finished. Mainly the reason which I conceive that because of great economical problems Pakistan is facing, so the government is trying to take off burden from it. So yes, in this economical poor condition, this can be a good step